The pancreas produces insulin and other important enzymes and hormones that break down foods. The bloodstream helps the insulin go through insulin receptors so it can get to the glucose.
Insulin receptors are areas on the outer part of a cell that allow insulin in the blood to join or bind with the cell. When the cell and insulin bind together, the cell can take glucose from the blood and use it for energy. Glucose is the main type of sugar in the blood and is the major source of energy for the body cells. Glucose is carried to the cells through the bloodstream, including insulin. Glucose comes from carbohydrates in the food we eat. Insulin is a hormone made by the pancreas that allows your body to use sugar, also known as glucose. Insulin helps keep your blood sugar level from getting too high or too low.
The cell membrane is a thin membrane that surrounds the cytoplasm of a cell. Its function is to protect the interior of a cell by allowing things to enter and exit the cell. Glucose transport are a wide group of membrane proteins that facilitate the transport of glucose across the plasma membrane.
When glucose is detected in the blood, the pancreas releases insulin throughout the bloodstream. The insulin travels through the blood until it reaches the insulin receptors, where it binds and signals the glucose transport protein to travel up to the cell membrane and allow the glucose to go into the cell.
Type 1 diabetes is when the body doesn't produce insulin or very little of insulin. Insulin is a hormone needed to allow glucose to enter cells to produce energy.
Type 2 diabetes is when the pancreas produces insulin. However, the insulin is not used properly. A term for this is insulin resistance.